Hey you guys, hey, welcome back to Unwine with Rae'L. I am excited to show you a few of the fabulous finds of the week. Yeah, of the week, and these are just a few things, okay? Just a few designer men items. Here we have these Nike retro metallic black and gold laser retro 15 Jordans. Look at these. These are nice. I really like these. I don't even remember these, you know, at all. But these are sharp. Look at that. Black and gold. Size 10. So if you want these, I need you to go to my eBay store and get these for your boyfriend, your husband, your girlfriend. Well, anyway. Crazy, y'all. And I also found this, this vintage Tommy Hilfiger designer sweater. The tag is still affixed, and this was $195. But the quality, it is so nice. Oh, look at this. I really like this. This is a size 8.5. A size extra large. But look at this. Nice. eBay store, okay? eBay store, eBay store. And then we have these designer flats, these Franco Sardo, size 8. These are brand new. These can go with anything. They're like a mustard and chocolate. This color is chocolate and this is gold. So here we go with this. Brand new, again. You can design you could wear these with anything, okay? Then getting your kids ready for school, or if you have a small feet, you could wear these. These Adidas, size 6.5. These are sharp. These are cute. If they were my size, I would wear them. But anyway, yes, these are nice, brand new. Subscribe and go to my eBay store. Okay. Well, there you have it. I will be back with more, and later I will be showing some of my pieces, my designer wear, on Tradesy, Pinterest, and maybe a couple other web outlets. I started with eBay because I've been selling on eBay for a while, and I just started with eBay, with my Unwine with Rae'L, but I will also be, using those outlets to sell my pieces as well. And I'm actually coming with some designer handmade pieces that are sharp, like I said, that I wear at my premieres and galas and other events that I go to around Atlanta. So just be patient. And just know that I'm coming with so many other things, inspirational things, messages, just talks with me, sharing my life story so I can help others, just a platform where I can help others. That's where I am right now. Stop living on average and sharing your story to help others grow and be their best and live their best life. That's what I'm about right now. And I want to do that with you. So subscribe to my channel and you will see it's coming. It's coming. Great things are coming from Unwine with Rae'L. It's just not Unwine with Rae'L fashion-wise. It's Unwind with so many different, unwinding ideas. You hear me? You'll see. You'll see. Subscribe and stay tuned, okay? And let's have a glass of wine. Okay. Stay tuned. See you later.